Hello, this video will explain how you can insert hyperlinks into a Google site's website. There are a few different ways of doing this, so I'm going to show you a variety of ways. The first thing that you'll need to do when you want to insert a hyperlink is to click on the Edit Page button at the top of the screen. Once you've clicked that and you're into the page editor, you should then highlight either the text or the image that you want to set a hyperlink from. In this case, I'm going to highlight my click here to begin image. I'm then going to click Insert and Link. This brings up the Create Link dialog box, and I can see here under Sites page a list of all the pages that I've created for my website. So I'm going to just click on the plus icon for Animal Planet and then the plus icon for Guest a Picture, and I find the page that I want, my Picture 1 page. I then click OK, and that now has created a hyperlink from this image here, click here to begin, to my Picture 1 page. I can see the hyperlink down here. So if I click Save, I should then find that when I click on the click here to begin image, it will take me to my Picture 1 page. Okay, there we go. So this is my Picture 1 page, asking the question, which picture shows a mammal? And of course the fish and the lizard are the wrong answers, and the dog is of course the correct answer. So I want a hyperlink from my fish and from the lizard to go to the wrong picture page, and I want a hyperlink from the dog to go to my Picture 2 page to ask the next question. So, like I did before, I'm going to click the Edit Page button at the top of the screen, and I'll highlight the picture of the fish, and I'll go to Insert Link as I did before, but this time I'm going to use web address. I'm going to use a URL address. So I'll need to open up my wrong picture page, which is here, and then copy the URL address at the top of the page by right-clicking and selecting copy, then going back to my Picture 1 page, and then I can paste that URL address into this box here. If I then click OK, and I can now see that there is a link to my wrong picture page from the fish. Okay, if I highlight the lizard, and I'm not going to use Insert Link this time, I'm just simply going to click on this icon here, which is the link icon, and notice it opens up that same Create Link dialog box, and I'll use the Sites page at this time, so clicking on the plus icon for Animal Planet, the plus icon for Guest a Picture, and there I can see my wrong picture page, which I click on, and then I click on the OK button, and that's created a link to the same page, the wrong picture page. Okay, and finally I'm going to create a link from the dog to my Picture 2 page. So I'm going to use the link icon up here. I'm then going to, I'll use the web address. So I need to open up my Picture 2, copy the URL from the top, and then go back to my Picture 1 page and then paste the URL into this box here and click OK, and I can now see there's a link to my Picture 2 page. If I click Save, that will save my changes. So if I click on the fish, it takes me to my wrong picture page. I'll click here to try again, and then if I click on the dog, it takes me through to my Picture 2 page. Okay, and that's the end of the video.